everybody, welcome back. Yes, welcome to the Twisted Spire Garage. You know who I am, don't you? Yes, I'm that fella from Chesterfield. Right, in this video we've got a free offer. Yes, anybody that's watching, there's a free offer. So I'll tell you a little bit more about that later on. Now then, I'm doing this garage chat just as a catch-up really. Yeah. What's been happening with the channel? Well, I put a little video out the other day, and I just thought, yeah, just didn't mean much. It was just a road that I went down that had been closed, and they put some speed cameras up, and well, crikey, got no end of views and no ends of comments as well. In fact, there was yes, I've had a lot of comments on it, and there were 2 or 3 that were getting a bit irate about it, and any aggressive comments or anything I won't reply to. I get it. I get it. We're blokes when we get angry, don't we? Yeah, but I'm not going to go down that route on the channel. Yeah, so let's try and keep it pleasant, shall we? Yeah, but it's surprising what a reaction I got from it. I didn't realise it'd kick off like that, but still, it's all good. Yeah, and I do love the comments. I do love the comments. Answering them is not always easy, and I've started missing some. People are commenting on videos that went out, you know, back previous, and I miss them. I tend to miss them. So if I've not answered anybody's comments, I do apologise. I sincerely apologise. I'd love to answer everybody, but I sit watching the telly at night. My missus says, "What are you doing?" And I'm answering a comment. Oh right, not another one. Yeah, but I love it. Yes, I do love it. It's good to be in touch. I watch another guy on YouTube, and he Two Wheel Willie. I bet a lot of you have seen him. He's got a lot of subscribers, Willie has, and he put a video out about getting pulled up by the police. People were getting really nasty, so he's had to limit all the commenting just to subscribers. But we don't want to get to that, do we? No. Talking of Two Wheel Willie, if you've not seen him, go and have a look. Most of his videos are like this, just sat in the garage, and he blows a puff of steam from his vape at the beginning, which annoys a lot of people. But he's a nice chap, well, he seems to be, and he's got a couple of Royal Enfields, and one of them is a Scram, and just lately he's been painting it, and he's done it himself. He's no experience in painting or anything, but he's made a really good job. And he says he's turned his Scrambo into Rambo. He's done it in like army colours. So yeah, it's worth taking a look if you've not seen him. Talking of other video channels, I got mentioned on another video channel, Derbyshire Rural Rider. A guy called Andy mentioned me. Thanks, Andy. Yeah, Andy had a go at doing a video and commenting while he was riding along, and he'd not got much confidence in himself, but it turned out all right. Andy, keep it up. Yeah, keep going, mate. It's not easy, is it? I know. Sometimes when you're riding, some of these vloggers are really good at it, and I'm not really good at it. I don't count myself as good at it, I'm not. But some of them can ramble on and be very fluent, but it takes practice. So keep it up, Andy. Yeah. Yeah, talking about other channels, yeah, there's another guy close to me, Froglodyte. Yeah, I've not met him. In fact, I've not met the other guy either, but I watch his videos all the time, and I like his delivery. He's quite good at chatting while he rides along. So yeah, check out Froglodyte. And comments. Yeah, I love it. I've had a guy called Jamie Halifax from Nova Scotia. Hiya, Jamie. And he's really enthusiastic, the way he writes his comments, as all people over the pond seem to be very enthusiastic, don't they? We're a little bit more reserved over here. But yeah, he was asking me about the rock wall fences on a video, and I thought, what does he mean, rock wall fence? Dry stone walls, mate. The dry stone walls. Yeah. Jamie. Yes, comments on older videos do sometimes get missed, and I apologise again. Right now then, Guy the gorilla, how's he doing? Well, on my last garage video I showed you that his clutch lever was coming off, and I put a little lock nut on underneath, and I asked anybody else if it should have a lock nut, and thank you, Johnston Stewart, one of my subscribers. He looked at his bike and it should have a little nut underneath, and well, mine must have dropped off or not been there, and that's why it came loose. So thanks, Johnston Stewart. I presume your name's Stewart Johnston. Yeah, and I've booked him in for a service, but there's quite a wait to get into the garage. The garage is really busy. I suppose I could do it myself, but it's a new bike and I want to keep the warranty viable, so it's more trouble than it's worth, so I'm taking it into the garage for its service. I've got a bit of a frog in my throat, I do apologise. Yeah, so that's all really. It's just oh, don't forget the free offer, Kev. Yeah, don't forget the free offer. Yeah, yes, free offer. Now then, who doesn't like something for nothing? Absolutely free, and it'll last you for a long time, this will. Yeah, hours and hours and hours. Free subscription. Press the little button. Yes, it's absolutely free. Yeah, join the club, join the Twisted Spire Club, and I keep putting a video out whenever I can. This time of year it's a bit dependent on weather, but there's another video coming out on the next Thursday. I try to put them out on a Thursday morning. Yeah, the next one is a bit of local history, and it's a bit personal to me. I'm quite proud of that video, but you never know how videos are going to be received. So take a look and let me know what you think. Yeah, it's another one where I go back to my youth and remember things, and a bit of local history thrown in, and some beautiful Derbyshire countryside. And I've also got one lined up for the Thursday after. I'm a little bit in front, which looking at the weather outlook, I'm glad I am. Yeah, so don't forget the free offer. Press the button and subscribe, and thanks for watching, everybody. So that's it. It's goodbye from me. Bye bye now. Ta-ta, ta-ta.